My name is Mayela Andrea Correo Herrera, en licenciatura en Educación Básica Primaria. English, Affective Relation Sheets. Affective Relation Sheets teaching how they show relative to add other sense to be an selling point for the future sense. I wish be able to help the people we work for the goal of the world. And languages use verbal and non-verbal and being able to express themselves correctly in their relations. It is vital to go as people in society, but with the be able to express themselves. They are not entirely good with words. Their actions speak for them. To create your personality. Personality is not only given but 100% relationships are part of this development as we employ our service for it with us or teach from others aspects they add to us in and net and watch. Self-confidence. Proper communications can give children the confidence to do more things they could before when their age waiting to the growth activities and now being able to do lot of people or asking for a favor or even something as simple as making a friend. More and happiness relationships are now only looking for benefits in return. They also generate simple happiness which shows as considered happy.